Guys, I'm back home again after holiday and some weeks of working, 1.5 weeks. Been working on Oos, a place just outside of Bergen, working with refraction seismic, using dynamite to test the ground and see how stable it is, so you can build roads and tunnels. Just been helping my brother with that, so yeah, it's good to be back in beautiful weather. It's warm and moist, overcast and windy, so I can't fly with my Mini 2 today, but I'm standing at a beautiful place here. It's really nice to be back outside in the trails on Askøy. Lovely place, it really is. I walk around here pretty often, so it's nice to be back. I'm just testing my Panasonic G9. Hopefully the autofocus works pretty good. I'm shooting in Cine D in 4K 30, so just been hiking around, testing the camera, testing my stills. Still learning to shoot stills or photos with this camera. I really like that hobby. Just great to take your camera with you and head out and do some filming and some vlogging and of course some photo shooting. I really want to learn that skill, so yeah, been away from drone flying lately. I'm quite bored of that, but it's fun to take my drone with me, but I can't fly today, so but I'm still gonna use the drone and still gonna use my camera and just walk around. Like I said, I've been on Oos for 9 days now with my brother, helping him this summer a little bit. He has a big project there, doing refraction seismic. And that means that we are shooting with dynamite in the ground, so they can read the ground, how stable it is, so you can build tunnels, roads and stuff like that. So it was really fun, really hard work, but yeah, fun to test something new. But I'm finished there now. I'm back home on Askøy. That's just the place I love, so it's good to be back. I have 1 more week with holiday before I'm starting back at my work, so been a pretty busy summer. We had some beautiful weather, so that's been great. I haven't done any drone flying lately, just a couple of times. I'm planning to head back to my brother on his project on Oos just to do some more filming. We were talking about making some short clips from the project that he is working on, so they can use it on their webpage. So that's a nice skill for me to learn. So I'm looking forward to that. But just great to be out again. Just great to be out in nature and hiking around. Don't have any plans. Just walk around and have fun. So yeah, this is a really lovely place. It really is close to my home. Did just a short hike today, so wasn't any. Still pretty, my body is still pretty beaten up by the 9 days of straight work, 8 to 10 hours every day. So it's been really tough work, but need to use your body sometimes. I'm an office guy, so it's quite nice to do something handy and crafty. So yeah, but I think I'm in pretty good shape, so so that's good. But you need to be in good shape to do a job like that. So yeah, I'm testing my camera. The autofocus seems to work pretty good. The camera is tracking me. It looks like that. Let's see if the box loses me. I'm still in focus. I don't have many options for lenses, so that's the way it is. It's pretty expensive to buy lenses. This was following the camera. This is a zoom lens from 12 to 32, I think. So yeah, I think it's a good all-round lens, but I really want something else, of course. But this is what I got, so works pretty good. I still have a lot to learn with this camera, but yeah, you have to practice. That's the way it is. So but it was really fun to see that some of my shorts video done pretty good on YouTube. I filmed some shorts when we was on holiday. on the south coast of Norway, a place called Dyreparken. I filmed some lions there, and it hit pretty good on YouTube, so that was great. My first time hitting 50k on views on YouTube, so that was just great. Hopefully that can give me some boost to build this channel. And yeah, but it's fun to see that it works. You just have to keep posting and keep trying and just learning the filming skills. The shorts isn't that difficult to make. You can use your phone or whatever you want, so just remember to shoot in 9:16, so and under 60 seconds. That's shorts video, but it's fun to see that it's possible for everybody. So this summer, because of that video, I got 130 new subscribers, so that was just great. Thank you so much for the support. It means the world to me. So it's really fun to see that it's possible for everybody to get some subs. So, but I'm still gonna do this. I'm still gonna post videos. I'm still gonna hike. I'm still gonna learn the editing. I'm gonna focus more on taking more photos and stuff like that, and do some vlogging and take my camera with me on all my hikes. So I'm planning to do a bunch of that. And like I said, I'm going back to Osøyro, it's called. 1 hour from my home with a car, 50 minutes to drive, not far. Many beautiful trails there, so I'm planning to do that. And of course I'm going to take my family with me, so that's going to be just fun to explore new places. It looks really, really beautiful there. Like I said, I have been there for 9 days now, but that was work related, but I got the opportunity to go out in the woods. All the work we did was out in the woods, because they're going to build tunnels and stuff like that. So yeah, so thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and of course I hope you will subscribe. This was just me rambling around, but this is the first time I picked up my camera in a long time, and it's a bunch of mosquitoes and stuff like that. So not stuff like that, but yeah. But it's nice just to be outside, and it's so quiet, so peaceful to be out. So yeah, this is just great. And the autofocus seems to work pretty good. Can it track me far? I can't see the box anymore, but hopefully it tracks me a little bit. It really does. I can see the yellow box around my face, so that's good. I know that the Panasonic G9 contrast-based autofocus system is pulsing a little bit, so you can probably see it not up there, but behind me, pulsing in and out. But I think it works pretty good. This is not the expensive camera at all, so of course you have the Sony camera and the Canon cameras are much better autofocus system, but I like the quality of this camera. It feels really robust, and yeah, just a great camera, and it was cheap. So and the image quality is really good at this camera. That was a pretty big bug. Hey guys, we're heading back. Just been on a short hike. It's almost impossible to hold this camera with this tripod, but hopefully the stabilization is pretty good. I love this camera. I really need another lens, that's for sure. It's too close to my face and I'm holding my arms all the way out. But is the stabilization any good? Whoops. Yeah, this is not the perfect vlog setup, that's for sure. I really should use another lens, and I'm really hoping for some kind of gimbal. I'm not quite sure. I looked at the Weebill 2S, it looks pretty good, and Maybe that's perfect for this camera. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I still got a bunch of to learn with this camera, but it's just fun to walk out and shoot a little bit. Still got them close to my face. Let's head back, get home and make some dinner. I think I'm gonna grill something today. So let's do that. Drink a beer, just relax. Tomorrow I'm planning to go on a long run, so that's gonna be fun. Just get out and feel that you're alive. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really enjoy the support, and I not enjoy it. Of course I enjoy it, but yeah, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and hopefully you will subscribe. That means the world to me. I'll keep looking at on the screen all the time. I should look at the lens, but yeah, we have to learn. So see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.